In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Nintendo account to Xbox on Fortnite. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The quickest and the most convenient way to link different types of accounts to Fortnite, regardless of which console you are playing on, is through the Epic Games website. So on a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to store.epicgames.com. In this page, you will be able to sign into your Epic account where you can manage all the different accounts attributed to it. So sign into your Epic Games account, the one that you use to play Fortnite regardless of the console, and hover over your name. When you hover over your name on this page, you have to select Account from the drop-down menu that appears, and this will redirect you to the Epic Games account settings page. In here, use the menu at the left side of the screen to go into Apps and Accounts, and then choose Accounts as you can see over here. So if you are in the Apps category, switch over to Accounts. Immediately you will have the ability to connect different types of accounts. So you can link a Steam account, a GitHub account, Twitch account, Xbox account, PSN and Nintendo account to your Epic Games, aka your Fortnite account. As long as you do this process through this page, you will be able to link your Nintendo account to Xbox on Fortnite. So all that you have to do is click connect underneath any account that you want to link and follow through the instructions on screen. So as you can see, you are going to get a warning, link your Nintendo account or link the respective account that you selected. It is going to tell you which Epic Games account you are signed into, and it is going to explain the process. It is telling you that linking your Nintendo account will allow you to share your profile data, game progression, purchases and game content with Epic. So all that you have to do is confirm that you want to link and follow through the instructions on screen to finish setting this process. I recommend that you take your time if you want to link multiple accounts, and this will allow you to share progress and manage your account better when playing Fortnite. I hope I was able to help you on how to link your Nintendo account to Xbox Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.